Hey family, you're welcome back to my channel. Here is Rima Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. So thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I am making carrot ginger cake. So I'm going to use this cake mix. Okay, so it came with icing, all right, and this icing has ginger in it, and this is the original cake mix over here. So from their instruction, these are the list of ingredients that I am going to need. So in my mixing bowl, I am going to add 2 large eggs, and the next ingredients that I am going to add is milk. I am using fresh milk, and this is just 100 grams of fresh milk. I'm also going to use butter lard. You can use butter or margarine, that's what they say. But I choose butter lard because that's what I really want. That's what I love. So, yeah. And the next thing that I am going to add is my shredded carrots. I used 1.5 carrots, okay, just the normal size, not too big, just the normal size of carrots. So then after this, I am going to give it a little mix to make sure that it mixed well. Yeah. And the next to add is my flour mix. And this really smells good, my God. I love the ginger smell that I am getting over here. So then I'm going to give it a mix and make sure that it's well mixed. And yeah, so, guys, thank you for joining me today, like always. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to anybody who has been a support to this channel, my returning subscribers. I love you guys, and thank you for commenting, sharing, liking, and everything. Okay, so if you're watching me for the first time and you're not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe and you want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Okay, so let's move on. So this is my baking pan. I am going to grease it to my desire. All right, so the next I'm going to do is to fill my baking pan with my cake mix. Just a little shake is okay. So I'm baking this on 150 degrees, and from their instruction, I have to bake this between 200 and 250, but it's going to extend my baking time, and that is not a problem at all. I have decided to do that. So if you ask me, I think this is just a quick thing. It's when you don't want to disturb yourself so much, getting ingredients here up and down. So you just grab this when you need it and it's emergency. All right. And you don't feel like using your own ingredients to do this. I think getting a box of this from the groceries, it's just a great idea. So I decided to try this today, and I mean, it came out so great. Look at how beautiful it's came out, and I really love it if you ask me. So what I'm going to do next is to make sure that I cut the top of my cake. So this is my decoration. So I need curd, cheese, and I'm going to add about 30 grams of milk. That is the instruction. Okay, so this is just about um 300 curd, cheese, and yeah. So after this, I want to whip it, though I can use my hand to do that, but I prefer to whip it. I want it to feel creamy in the mouth, and yeah. With berries, healthy, homemade smoothies, cutie smoothies, making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries. Wow, this really looked beautiful and creamy. Okay, and so then I'm going to set this aside and go for my icing. So I'm using about 20 grams of water to mix this. Okay, and this has a ginger flavor. Okay, it has a ginger flavor. It's not only icing, it has a ginger flavor. So if you're somebody who love ginger flavored cakes, Wow, you can go look out for this. It's really tastes great, and the smell alone, I mean, you really want to. Yeah, so if you ask me, I think this is fast and convenient. It's not so stressful. Yeah, so it came out so great. I love the consistency. It's thick, though not so thick. I love it just the way I like it. So I'm not too good at dressing cakes, but I just tried my best. So for my topping or my decoration, okay, I added almond or shredded almond. Okay, and this is how it looks at the end. It came out so delicious. I love it, and I'm doing this again. I'm going for this product again, okay? Or I'm going to just use the ingredients like my own way and prepare this at home. So, guys, thank you very much for joining me today. I really love your presence, the support, and everything. It keeps me going. Thank you for the encouragement and all that. So I want to say a very big thank you to anyone who has been a support. Okay, so if you're watching me and you're still not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button. So make sure you get enough rest, drink enough water, don't stay dehydrated. All right, get enough sleep when you have the time. So until I come your way again next time, here is Dreamer Healthy Way. See you in my next video. It's bye.